YouTube. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the annoying X from your YouTube. Whenever you're watching a video, there is this persistent or playback controls on your video. So I'm going to actually play one of my videos and I'm going to show you what I am talking about. So let me give this ad a few seconds to play. Alright. So here we have the video playing, and as you can see, we have the playback controls being persistent on the screen. Now we have the seek 10 seconds or the next or the fast forward. So I'm going to show you how to do this. So each time you tap on the screen, as you can see, if I should tap anywhere else on the screen, it would just fast forward the video and it would not remove the X. Now that is quite annoying, and if you update YouTube on a new device, you will have this persistent feature being displayed. So I'm going to show you how to easily remove this. So click on your profile icon in the top right, click on settings. Now from settings, what you need to look for is accessibility, and you'd simply need to disable accessibility player. You could also set this to be hidden after 3 seconds. So you could leave it enabled and set it to be hidden after 3 seconds. So if I should go back and play the same video, let me put it on full screen. Now if I should play the same video, after 3 seconds the accessibility controls will automatically be hidden. And that is basically how you do it, how to remove the annoying X from your YouTube whenever you're watching a video. So if you found this helpful, please feel free to leave a like and a comment below just to say thanks, it worked, or let others know that this actually works. So thank you guys for watching. Hope this was helpful. Hacker 007 out.